Today we not have one, but two stars of the shave, and it's the Razor Company Preshave Puck Wineberry and the Razor Company Towel. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. And today we have two stars of the shave. It's the Razor Company Preshave Puck Wineberry Scent and the Razor Company Towel. We're also using an aftershave splash from Genius. We're using the Yates 921H, but with the EH plate and the feather blade, so it's very aggressive shave. My beautiful bougie sprayer. Alpha Shave Works brush and soap brush. It's with a synthetic nut. My beautiful TRC Apothecary Mug, and look at how this soap lathers. Oh my god, I'm loving my wet shaving journey, and when I see something that says pre-shave, I'm like, I want to shave with it. Same like I seen some people online using mayonnaise, olive oil, and other stuff, but oh my god, I'm so confident in this product or products and my ability to shave with it. I'm gonna have a kick butt shave, a real clean shave. So yeah, oh man, I just want to share something with you. I was going through a rough spell, like really rough, and my wet shaving family kept me on track, sent me positive words, and voila, I got some great news about in my personal life. Things are coming together. Hopefully I'll get the help I need, and yeah. So message is, don't give up while you're going through something struggling. Focus on things that make you happy, no matter how little they are. For me, it's wet shaving and the people in this community I call my family. I mean, God willing, things will pop up for you. So with me, already I got a beautiful first pass. You know, this Preshave soap is so good. It's a lot better than some other shave soaps out there. So yeah, I just figured, you know me, I'm weird, quirky, unique, whatever you want to say. I'm giving this a shave, and oh my god, I love it. So do you think I should do a mayonnaise shave? Let me know, and I'll think about it. But yeah, I'm just so happy right now. I'm filled with energy. I'm like on cloud 9. Therapy was good. Met with my mental health program coordinator. That was good. Yeah, let's go for the second pass. Oh man, when your technique is good, it really helps overall. Like a wise man once told me, technique, and yeah. Oh, another thing. You know, with these TRC shave pucks, I even sometimes use it to bathe with it. So I bathe with it, I shave with it, and I also use it as a pre-shave. So 3 in 1. How can you beat that? And these beautiful towels are so beautiful. Exclusive at TRC. You could get your name or I think your name or nickname or whatever printed on it. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I really love it. And it reminds me of the love of this community. The softness, the tenderness, the caring. I'll have it on my shoulder. But yeah. So yeah, go to therazorcompany.com and grab you a couple of shave towels with your name on it or your nickname or whatever. And for all your wet shaving needs, of course. But yeah, look at this beautiful lather. Oh man, I feel so relaxed. I'm so happy. Positive, happy. Joy, Ren and Stimpy. Alright, let's get the shave with. Third pass. I don't have my wipes. I have a little bucket so I can wash my face and then dry off with it. So that's a spoiler alert. Oh. BBS, baby. So yeah, me, I like unique things. I like shaving with things that are on the fringe. Like, you know, they call this passion or hobby of ours, a niche hobby. I go for the niche of the niche. That's me. And as you can tell, it is. This Preshave soap would make a great soap itself. That's how high of a quality it is. Oh man, I'm so happy. Sorry if the splashes bother you, but I have like a big bucket. I'm gonna rinse my face and dive deep into it. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna step out the camera a little bit so I can rinse my face. Ah, did you miss me? Because I missed you. Now for the test of the moment. Oh my god. This beautiful towel. Look how clean I am and dry. Look, it even has my name on it. Jason Miller. Let me put on the splash. Ugh. I matched this. This is like a fruity smell. I figured, okay, I'm drinking a wineberry. Not me, but someone's drinking wineberry out there. And they need some fruit, maybe some cheese. But, you know, cheese scent, I don't know. Did they do a wine and cheese scent yet for a shave soap or splash? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Oh, not even a zing or a sting. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you for blessing me, and thank you for listening to me for all these videos. I really appreciate you. I really love this towel. It's really high quality. Oh man. I feel the love of the community. When I have this towel on my shoulder, I feel the love of the community. But let's go over the lineup. Today, I used Genius Aftershave Splash. I have my bougie sprayer. I used the Yates 921H razor, but it had the EH plate, which is extra aggressive. This beautiful Alpha Shave and Brushworks brush, synthetic knot. And this beautiful TRC Apothecary Mug. They're very underrated. Get yourself one and throw a puck in it. You feel like those old time barbers. And of course, the stars of the shave are the Razor Company Preshave Soap, Wine Berry, and of course this beautiful TRC Towel, which you could get your personalized name, nickname, whatever you want. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you have time, 9 a.m. Eastern time zone, go to Instagram, go to the Razor Company page. You'll see 4 great people talk about wet shaving with the greatest audience in the world. And for all your wet shaving needs, especially this towel, go to therazorcompany.com. Wow, thank you for staying on, listening to me rambling on like a fool and trying new things. And remember, you are special and you do matter. Have a great life.